In Thomas Cook's branch of Bangor, they've refused to allow their staff to use the Welsh language in their work and insisted they speak English. They've been asked to change their policy and the national management of Thomas Cook have refused. So we're here to show that in Wrexham also we believe people have the right to use their own language. There's a petition if you'd like to sign it, sir, asking them to... Diolch yn fawr iawn, diolch yn Pete. If you'd like to sign the petition, thank you very much. Thanks for your support, John.
That's exactly what we're doing here.
Grinding.
Right?
What are you doing?
You're from Wrexham, are you lads?
Yeah.
Right.
I'm going to speak Welsh.
Eh?
No, I speak Welsh.
Ti'n siarad Cymraeg, ie?
Dwi'n siarad
Oh,
Cymraeg.
da iawn boi, da iawn boi.
What do you do here?
Have you got email?
Email?